everybody, and welcome. Today I will be talking about beginnings, and I want to talk about evolutionary beginnings. And I just want to kind of break this down from what I've read and understanding of how this all began. I mean, the question is how did life really begin? A lot of times you have different theories, but this particular theory is the one where lightning strikes into the mush. Life comes from that. We have RNA, cells, what have you. Okay, that's from bacteria and all the other stuff. So what I want to do is kind of pose some questions here. So let's say if we have lightning strikes, and that's a horrible picture of lightning, so sorry. All right, we have the glob with the bacteria and what have you in it. Okay, so this produces, actually let's do this. This produces life, right? So we have life. Okay. So from there, this has to be a asexual life, okay? Because there's no male or female. It's just this guy right here. So what we're going to do is let's pretend that it kind of spawns off or gives birth to new life. So let's say we have 3 new beginnings right here. So 3 little lives. So obviously they're going to inherit the main, whatever this life had and go into this. Now, in evolution though, we have some stuff that goes on here. So obviously these have to mutate or evolve in order to survive. So let's just say that this one grows lungs. Sorry for my handwriting and the crookedness, okay? So let's say this one grows some lungs. Let's just say, and I know this is like pretty fast. You guys are going for millions of years, but I'm just trying to make it, a little quick here. So let's say this one has lungs. This one forms a mouth, okay? And this one just doesn't make it because it's not producing enough. It's not evolving with a mouth or lungs, okay? But then the question lies is, if these beings are also asexual, and then they're going to produce another life, right? More life, and they carry the lungs, and this one over here produces a life, and that's carrying the mouth. Then how does the lungs come over to the mouth, vice versa? And that's another question that's really good. Is we have to ask is what came first, the mouth, the lungs, the stomach, the heart, the brain, right? It goes on and on. So you have to ask is, what came first? How do you know that? Is there evidence of this? And just look at this little happy guy here and how he broke down, right? So he spread his life, gave some life that another being that had lungs, another life that had a mouth. So there lies my question and my points. Please be respectful when you leave comments. You don't need to cuss or be rude. Just please, if you can answer this question, that'd be great. I love debate, and I love people who can actually, answer what they believe or answer what they think is fact, okay? So my 2 questions are, how do you explain this breakdown? And yes, okay, we could throw in the millions of years, all right? But also, can you explain to me which one of these things came first, and how do you know that? What evidences do you have? And don't you kind of need the majority of these to live? There, yeah, put that on heart. Okay, great. All right, well, thank you very much for tuning in, and God bless, and Jesus loves you.